Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. Right, it's Christmas. It's, well, Christmas yesterday, but this is me showing you what is coming in the following, well, I don't know, we'll have a look and see what presents I've got and what sort of things we might be showing off. Right, start with, let's have a look. From that side going over to there. Some Star Wars socks from Laura. Okay, Star Wars Christmas socks, so that's kind of weird, and everything's covered in glitter, by the way. Yeah, there was a card in the whole present, and they're all covered in glitter. So yeah, that'd be quite funny, really. Some socks, but you always gonna get socks for Christmas anyway, so that's fine. Oh, they're from Asda, so in there, London, yes, whatever. But socks, we all get socks. Yes, okay. Also from Laura. I'm not sure if I've already got one of these or not. I've got something very similar too. I think it's the Orb. The Orb one, not the Red 5, but it's just a little retro game console. You plug into the TV and you just use it as a joystick and the control button, so that's quite nice. Kind of a little portable gameplay. You can play absolutely anywhere you want. Kind of like the Raspberry Pi thing I did, which was really good with the when you flash the memory. But this is more of a, yeah, it seems a lot more compact. So that's quite good as well. Might do a teardown of that, I don't know, see what's inside it. Also got this, wasn't sure it's a fossil watch. Very, very nice. That's quite nice indeed, very dark, metallic. I'm going to take a link out of that anyway, so might have a go at that later on. But it is Christmas Boxing Day, shall we say. So we'll have a look at that at a later date. Of course, the usual cash, never more. Cash doesn't really have a... Yes, nice to have that. If you haven't got any ideas for somebody, cash is always the best thing to get. So I can go and buy something now, which is nice. Cash. Nothing wrong with cash. So I can go and buy something else, get something, I don't know, we'll have a look around auctions, we'll have a look around shops, whenever, if ever. Right. So another one from Amanda she bought me is buy a gift. Now, I wasn't sure exactly what this was, something new. Now, I'm quite sure I don't have any, there's any addresses on here. Now, it's going to, can't show you that one because that's got the gift voucher code, but it's an introduction to steam train driving. Now have I had any videos on about steam trains? No, because I've never actually done a York Museum trip to film it, but basically you go to, on the Elsica Heritage Railway, which is not far out of Barnsley, which is not too far from where I am. You go and drive a steam train on their track, which is really, really good. So I will be doing a video on this, hopefully, but I don't know when to book. So we'll get round to doing that one day anyway. So yeah, train driving experience in Yorkshire for an hour. Wow, it's an hour. There's more on the Heritage Centre anyway, so that's one place I need to visit. As well as Cryche. I want to go to Cryche this year. Well, next year. Not this year. Yeah, next year. To visit the Tramway Museum. Not exactly a bumper pack of Christmas presents this year, but that's fine. Fine, I don't have to amount, but my nephew bought me the one screwdriver I'm missing, and this has already been unboxed anyway. I've still got a tab in, so let's remove it. It's the 720 13th Doctor sonic screwdriver, and it is a lot brighter than the other one. A lot more wash lines on it. It's as light as hell, and this back bit twists around for no reason at all. But one thing it doesn't do, or the other one doesn't do, is that spins around the end. But we've never seen that on the show, so kind of a bit odd that why they would put that on, because this is the American version. But why would it twist? But why would it spin as well? Very odd. But I might do a full sonic screwdriver video with all the stuff I've got eventually anyway. There's also this. Amanda bought me a Wookiee. Right, so apparently it's posable. Apparently, hang on, mega posable. Posable arms and legs, yes, they go up. But when it says talk, see, there's a problem with this. It's too bloody hairy. Oh, hello. You've got an eyes. You've got 2 eyes, yes. You press and... I'm guessing that it's still got some sort of tag on it that makes this actually go wider, because the picture down there does show Wookiee with the mouth wide open, and Wookiee so yes, very posable. So with the metal inside there as well, the legs, but we'll have a look, unbox of that or something. I don't know, with a little pouch there which is sewn up, not very good to get in, hide things. It's very different, very, very silly and different. So there's also, I'm going to have to put you over here a little bit more. I'll stand you up a little bit so you can see his feet. That'll probably stand up in a second. There's 2 other presents here. One of them, it's a little late because I do like my mini consoles. I'm trying to collect whatever I can with them. If you've got one you don't want, then please get in touch and it's a donation. Next year's donations list at the moment is going to be empty, but we'll see what happens. We've got the Mega Drive Mini, and I was looking forward to this, but I didn't realise the C64 came out, but the Mega Drive Mini looks pretty good, the stuff you can get for it, so we're going to strip this down, see what's inside, have a good play on it. I've already got a couple of, about 3 Mega Drives in here, then all the small consoles as well, the handheld ones, so having a Mini in really does mean that I've got to, yeah, like the games on there. I'm going to play a lot on those. Right, last thing. The last thing? Yes, last thing. We're a bit confused about this. Star Dream. Completely confused what it was. And I thought, well, it rattles. It feels like Jenga or something. It feels like wood inside there. So you take it out of the box. Very nice boxes on these. But I thought, mercury? What, is she giving me a meteorite made out of mercury or something? I don't know. Then you open up and it's like, well, hold on a minute. That's blue, that's not. So you open this, covered in glitter. And what you've got inside is all 8 planets on a little wooden plinth, all made out of different types of rock. Now that one, Neptune. Actually, that band inside it is just the light reflecting through it at certain angles. That's amazing. It just doesn't do what it's supposed to. Saturn's bright yellow one, it's like just yellow ball. It's like the sun really, but same as here with the Jupiter one. It's got bands on Jupiter obviously, but the way the light reflects off of it, it doesn't coincide with what is actually inside it. Amazing thing. But each of the planets, you take it out, Jupiter in the bottom, Earth, they're all almost to scale as well, because Venus is just a little bit smaller than the Earth, which in reality it is. Whereas Mars is half the size of us, so it is. Alright, Mercury is kind of too small anyway, it's nothing, it's not that scale. But yeah, there's kind of bits inside, like they're just reflecting lights back at you. Really pretty. Granted, scale-wise goes out the window, but you can't have... If you had that to scale to that, then the garage would be the size of Jupiter. So you can't really. Here's Uranus as well. Uranus. So there you go. There's my Christmas unboxing. I will do other videos for these later. Some of these, buy a gift, Mega Drive. I'll definitely do a strip down of these. And for Christmas as well, I actually gave Amanda another Mova Globe, so I want to do a video on that one and do videos on the other ones as well, because I absolutely love the Mova Globes. They're absolutely brilliant. I also give her a cornet as well, which is at the moment she's playing to her heart's content to annoy the neighbours. Brilliant. So with all that due, have a good Christmas. See you in the video. Yeah, like and subscribe this one, and we'll plod along for another video later on. I'll just see what happens. I might even do something like this before New Year anyway. If not, then there's no rush. I can just do whatever, whenever. So, brilliant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.